and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be discussing a couple different topics. Number one, the icon tools and the best reviews and where to find them. And then the next topic will be the Toolbox widget giveaway, the winners. I did the random number generator. I was trying to decide between this and a live video, but I want to kind of do two videos in one, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So first off, we're going to talk about Icon Tools. If you guys don't know or haven't heard of it, it is Harbor Freight's new lineup of professional tools. Their thing is basically tool truck quality tools for a better price. And they were just recently released, and their prices are higher than what you would normally see at Harbor Freight. They are a little bit up there with a lot of other brands, not quite, Snap-on, Matco, those type of prices, but kind of in between what you would normally see at Harbor Freight and those tool truck prices. They're going to be doing, a lot of different tools, releasing a lot. I think they've been released to Harbor Freight finally. You might have seen, a tool here and there, like their torque wrenches and their breaker bars, but they've also came out with sockets and wrenches and toolboxes and a whole lot of other stuff in their lineup, ratchets, a lot of stuff, and it's supposed to be released to Harbor Freight now. I recently went to mine and it hadn't been released yet. They literally only had the torque wrench and breaker bar, and that's all the Icon tools they had. But personally, I haven't done any reviews on them because most of the stuff they're coming out with is stuff I already have and probably have multiple of already, so I'm not one of those people that are going to go out and buy another item that I already have 2 or 3 of in order to do a review, when there are a few channels out there that were given the opportunity to review these and put them to the test. And these are channels that I'm about to tell you that really put them to the test. They do unboxing / reviews, they do real world tests, taking them to work, and they do extreme tests, putting them to their limit and pushing them past their limit. So really good channels here if you want to check out Icon Tools and get some good reviews on before going and looking at them or going and making a purchase. You guys can see good reviews there. Instead of me trying to do stuff in between, me working a lot, I travel on the road a lot, and trying to put these tools to use, it would just take me way too long. And like I said, I already have a majority of the tools that they've released, so maybe I'll do a video in the future of going to Harbor Freight and showing you their tool lineup and stuff like that, and maybe if they release something that really catches my eye, I might purchase it. But other than that, I don't personally have any videos on Icon Tools, but I do want to share with you the best YouTube channels to find these Icon tool reviews. I'm buddies with a few of them, and they do a great job. I can't say enough. So if you guys want to check out some Icon tool reviews that are really good, there is Redemption Garage. Really good channel. He's growing fast. He's going to do great. He's going to have a really big channel. A lot of good information on there. Does a lot of good unboxing and reviews. Next is Client Graphics. All of these YouTubers will be linked down in the description. I'll try and post their channels down in the description for you guys. Client Graphic, once again, does a lot of good reviews, and he likes to push the tools to their limits. And then there's, of course, Justin Dow. I've known him a while, talked to him quite a bit. He has a great channel. Can't say enough good things about him. He takes these tools to work and puts them through the daily grind, and he lets us know how they do. So great reviews there. And then the Den of Tools, another one. He does a lot of good tests and reviews, and these guys got the hookup with all the Icon tools you can imagine, and they're putting them to the test, past their limits, a lot of daily use, a lot of good reviews. Not just on the hand tools, but the toolboxes as well, and those are constantly flowing. So some of you might be tired of the Icon tool videos. If you've seen them or heard of them, you might have seen them pop up in your YouTube feed quite a bit. But if you haven't, or you're interested in them, they have a lot of videos on those, and I think they're great. So those are the channels I just want to mention. There are a few others, but the list could go on and on. But those are the 4 that I really wanted to mention because those are the ones that I watch quite a bit. There are a few others that I watch as well, but like I said, I'm really busy with work, so trying to watch YouTube videos, create YouTube videos, and work, it's a handful. So sorry if I forgot anyone, but other than that, that's really it as far as Icon Tools. You want to see their reviews, go ahead and check out those channels, link down in the description. All of those guys are absolutely great guys, do great YouTube videos, and I hope and wish them the absolute best, not just with the Icon Tools, but with their YouTube channels as well. So other than that, we're going to get into the Toolbox, or the gift giveaway of the Toolbox widget. And if you guys haven't heard of the Toolbox widget, make sure to check out my previous videos on an unboxing of the Toolbox widget, as well as putting these Toolbox widgets to use. And what we did for a giveaway was a vertical wrench rail and a screwdriver organizer. These are absolutely the best organizers I've ever personally used, and can't thank Toolbox widget enough. They've been great, saved me a lot of space, and keeps everything organized very well. So can't say enough good things about that. But as far as the gift giveaway goes, you will get 2 sets of the screwdriver organizer. Also works for ratchets, extensions, picks, things like that, which you will also see in my video if you go ahead and check it out. And then 2 boxes of the wrench organizers as well. You can also get angled wrench organizers for those larger wrenches that you need to fit in a more shallow drawer. So that's really nice. And then I also had some leftover spacers that come with the screwdriver organizer, which I'm going to throw in with that set. And then there's 2 winners. So both of them are going to get the exact same thing, with the first winner getting miscellaneous size labels. This is just what I had left over, so sorry if it doesn't work for your needs, but you can purchase more on the Toolbox widget website, which is linked down in the description for you guys. Use promo code TONY10 to get 10% off your order. And then that's really it. Another thing I really want to mention is, in my upcoming video, I'm going to be doing a video on my gear wrench impact socket set, specifically my 1/2-inch drive, and what I might replace it with. So stay tuned for that. I also have a lot of Camaro videos coming out soon. I've done a lot to it, so stay tuned for those. But let's announce the winners. So I just used Google's number generator, and the first one I got, and at the time of the comments, I went from the top to the bottom, counted, and I got to subscriber, goes by the name of Justin Snyder. So Justin Snyder, you are the first winner of the Toolbox widget. That is going to be the 2 screwdriver organizers, the 2 wrench organizers, the spacers, and the labels, miscellaneous labels. And then number 2 is going to be Trucker88. I know you've been a subscriber of mine for quite a while, so congratulations. Once again, 2 screwdriver organizers, 2 wrench organizers, and some spacers. So once again, you don't get the labels, but if you're interested, Toolbox widget website is down below, as well as Tecton's website, where you can go, and any purchase you make on their website, you get 10% off, but that 10% off goes into your account, and you can use whatever amount that is on your next purchase. So really good deals there. Check out the Toolbox widget website, the Tecton website if you're interested, and then if you're interested in any other tools that I use in any of my videos, or Camaro parts or anything like that, it's all linked down in the description for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys go check out those channels I told you about, linked down in the description. Really good guys over there, and stay tuned. I will be doing more giveaways. I really enjoy it. I really like sharing things with you guys, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.